This video today is going to review and really make sure you understand commutative and associative properties. Remember, this is our learning target right now, that we need to understand these. We need to understand what commutative means and how to apply it and how to use it. Also, the same thing with associative property and then distributive properties. Not going to deal with distributive properties in this video. That'll be in the next one. So this one is only about commutative and associative. Now, the thing I want you to remember with both of these is with commutative, there's a addition and a multiplication component. So this works for addition and multiplication. You can't do a commutative property with subtraction or division. So when I talk about commutative, if any time that comes up or someone's saying something about commutative property, it has to be about addition or multiplication. Okay? Same thing with associative property. Addition or multiplication. Those are the two things that it works with, not subtraction, not division. Okay? So let's just review what commutative is about. Like with addition, it means that 5 plus 2 is going to equal, we know that equals 7, but it's the same as 2 plus 5. Doesn't matter which order you do it in, 2 to 5 plus 2 or 2 plus 5. Just like 3 plus 15 is the same as 15 plus 3. Okay? You could also, I suppose, you could do it like 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay? That's commutative. Doesn't matter the order, but it's the same numbers, and you are going to add them or multiply them together. So, just like with addition, same thing with multiplication. I could change all of these to be multiplication. 5 times 2 is the same as 2 times 5. 3 times 15 is the same as 15 times 3. 1 times 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2 times 1. It's all the same. So that's commutative property with addition and with multiplication. Okay? Now, so that's commutative. Let's move to associative. Associative is groupings, so it's same order, same numbers, but you're grouping them in different ways. Okay? So like, and it has to be 3 or more terms. Okay? So like 4 plus 5 plus 3 equals 4 plus 5 plus 3. Now that's exact same order, same numbers. I'm going to put parentheses to associate or group these differently. On this one, I'm going to do the 4 plus 5 first. On this one, I'm going to do the 5 plus 3. Now, it doesn't matter which I do first. It's going to give me the same answer. So this is an accurate statement. These do equal, and it's based on the associative property. Okay. Let's do one more. 7 plus 12 plus 20 equals 7 plus 12 plus 20. This time I'm going to group these two together, and here I'm going to group these two together. Okay, I'm going to do this first and then add this. This time I'm going to do this first and add that. But because they're the same numbers in the same order, it's going to work. It's going to be the same. Associative property of addition. Now, same thing works for multiplication. 4 times 5 times 3 equals 4 times 5 times 3. And say I want to do this first, and this one I want to do that first. Okay, same numbers, same order, Same operation of multiplication. Doesn't matter which grouping I do first, we're going to get the same answer. It's just I'm associating. These are associated together. Okay? Or 7 times 12 times 20. 2. Oh boy. Okay, let's do that over. There you go. Equals 7 times 12 times 20. With the parentheses, it almost looks like I have different numbers. But if you look closely, 7, 12, 20, 7, 12, 20, times, times. I'm just grouping, I'm doing 12 times 20 first over here. I'm doing 7 times 12 over here. I've associated them different, I have different associations going first. So on this time I have this group going first, this group going first, but they're the same numbers in the same function. So it's going to be the same answer. So it does work. It makes it equal. Okay. Now here's what I want you to do for your homework. I want you to take a sheet, a piece of paper, and I want you to make up your own problem. And I want you to put on the top of the piece of paper commutative property, and you can put addition. And I want you to give me one of your own made up addition problems that shows me commutative property of addition. And then I want you to show me one that's commutative property of multiplication. And then I want you to show me a problem that's the associative property of addition and the associative property of multiplication. So on a piece of paper, any paper, you're going to put your name on it, and you're going to write, you're going to make up 4 problems of your own that you can show me that you understand what we're talking about when we talk about commutative addition, multiplication, and associative addition and subtraction. Okay? So there's going to be one problem here, and then number 2 will be that, number 3, and number 4. Okay? I guess you don't have to go in that order, but I wanted you to see that you're going to have one of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these. Okay? And then you'll turn it in tomorrow. And if you have any questions about this, come see me, and we'll keep talking about it, and we'll figure out what this is all about.